is going to replace the battery, and they were replacing the battery, etc., etc. My wife was standing one side, and she was depressed. Everything's gone. Our life is gone. Our life is in turmoil. The job's gone. Our money's gone. People have left us when they should have stayed with us. Is this from God? Is this the truth? This cannot be the truth. And this man comes up to her and he says to her, "Your husband has a powerful weapon in his car." And my wife says, "No, he doesn't carry a weapon." He says, "Yes, he does. Come, I'll show you." So he took her to the car, and there was my Bible lying on the dash or whatever. And he said, "There." "Oh," she says, "the Bible." And so they started talking, and then he said to her, "Where do you worship?" And she said, she doesn't want to say Seventh-day Adventist. That's taboo. She says, "Well, in that town." And he says, No. Where do you worship?" And she says, "Well, what can I say?" So she says, "Helderberg College." That's like saying Loma Linda University, Helderberg College. He says, No, I don't want to know that. "What denomination? Where do you worship?" And she also heard the cock crow, and so she said to him, "The Seventh-day Adventists." And he took a step back and he pointed at her and he said, "They have the truth after all." That's fascinating. Why would he say that? In Afrikaans he said, "Hulle het tog die waarheid," which means they have the truth after all. And by that time, everything was finished, and we got into our car and we drove off, and she told me, "I just had an amazing experience." I said, "What happened?" She said, the man who helped the man put in the battery, the one who had the overall on, while you were inside doing the paperwork, he had a chat to me, the one who put the battery into the car, the one with the overall. I said, "What do you mean, the one with the overall?" She said, "The one who helped the one who's working there." And I said, "Which one that helped the one?" "There was only one." She says, "No, there were two." I said, "No, there was one." She says, "There were two." I said, "No, there weren't two. There was one." "What did he do? What did he say?" So he said, "Hulle het tog die waarheid." They have the truth after all. I said, "Well, then he must be an Adventist if he says that the Adventists have the truth. Isn't that so?" So we'll go back and we'll ask him, because she was arguing. She always argues with me. So we turned the car around and we drove back. And he wasn't there, so we went inside to the man who helped me. And I said, "Excuse me, where's your worker, the one with the blue overall?" He says, "What?" "There's nobody else here but me." And so I think God takes situations into his hands, and he gives you what you need when you need it. You will always have a hook to hang